parents! Today I'm going to show you some surefire ways to help you teach your child some new vocabulary, new concepts, and build their understanding of language, all around the topic of baking. So it's going to be super fun for you and for your child. Let's get started. Now you can choose to focus on any of the ideas from your baking handout. I've chosen 3 things. I've chosen sequencing words, which is words like first, next, last. I've chosen the new vocabulary words measure and stir, and I've chosen the concept of wet versus dry. So today we're making Nutella mug cake, mainly because I'm a terrible baker and this seemed like the easiest thing to bake. For 1 serving, you need a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 cup of Nutella, 3 tablespoons of milk, a bowl, a spoon for stirring, a measuring cup and measuring spoons, and a mug. Understanding sequencing words helps your child understand directions like first, put your snow pants on. It also helps them understand the events that happen in a story because these events need to happen in a certain order. All right, Snowy. First, we need to measure our ingredients. Measure means we have to figure out how much we need. Then, we're going to mix everything together. And last, we're going to bake it. Do you remember what we're going to do first? Help your child learn new concepts like wet versus dry by showing them what you mean. Using their senses, for example, you can let them touch dry items and wet items. Or using the concepts throughout daily activities. For example, you can talk about wet versus dry during baking, but you can also talk about it during bath time. All right, Snowy, we have some dry ingredients and we have some wet ingredients. The dry ingredients are the baking soda and the flour. They are dry. We have some wet ingredients too. The wet ingredients are the Nutella and the milk. They are wet. I think we should put in the dry ingredients first. What do you think? Oh, you mean the wet ingredients. Milk and Nutella are wet ingredients. Help your child learn and remember new words by emphasizing these words, pairing them with actions or gestures, and using the new words repetitively in lots of different situations. For example, the word measure can be used during baking, but you can also measure the laundry detergent during laundry time. Now we get to stir all of our ingredients together. Stir means to mix like this. Stir, stir, stir. And there you go. You highlighted new words, new concepts, and worked on sequencing words all within a short and fun baking session. Plus, you get to eat your creation at the end.